In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or change your name in LinkedIn Learning. This is a simple process, but it can make a big difference in ensuring your profile accurately reflects your identity. Whether you've recently changed your name or noticed an error, updating it on LinkedIn Learning is straightforward. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, make sure you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you're there, navigate to your homepage. You'll want to locate the Me icon, which is usually represented by your profile picture at the top of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose View Profile. This will direct you to your LinkedIn profile page, where all your professional details are displayed. On your profile page, turn your attention to the top section where your personal information is located. Here, to the right of your profile picture, you'll find the edit icon resembling a small pencil. Click on this pencil icon to begin editing your profile details. Upon clicking, a pop-up window titled Edit Intro will appear. This is where you can update various aspects of your profile. For this task, focus on the text boxes labeled first name and last name. Carefully enter your updated information in the appropriate fields. Remember, it's crucial to double check your spelling and ensure that it reflects your intended name changes accurately. You wouldn't want any embarrassing typos right at the forefront of your professional presence. Having made the necessary changes, look for the Save button within this pop-up window. It's typically at the bottom of the window. Once you've verified your new name details, click Save to apply the changes to your profile. Upon saving, you'll see that your profile now reflects your updated name, viewable to anyone who looks you up on LinkedIn Learning, and just like that, you've successfully updated your name on LinkedIn Learning. This process should take only a few minutes, and it ensures that all your professional interactions on the platform start off on the right foot. Keeping your online persona consistent not only enhances your professional appearance, but also prevents any confusion that might arise from outdated or incorrect information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, maintaining your LinkedIn profile with the most current information is essential for networking and professional growth. If you have further questions or need assistance with other features, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.